as this sound is eternal. And it is said, if this sound is uttered, all the dreadful diseases will be vanished. That is why, in this critical situation, irrespective of our faith and religion and any other barricades, let us all together make this sound and let these vibrations of the sound spread all over the nature and protect each and every one. The sound is Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana.